Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install your Windows update. Even if your Windows update is paused, I'm going to show you how to enroll the update. So without further delay, let's get started. For you to install all the updates and security patches which are released by Microsoft Windows, just go to your Start, click on your Start button and go into your settings. Now inside your settings, on your left side, we have this here, Windows Updates. Just click on it. Right, so and as you can see, for my case, my Windows has been paused. So in order for me just to release it to download the update, I'll just click on Resume Update, click on it. As it's resuming update, you're just going to wait for it to check for update, whether updates are available for it to install. And as you can see here, if you have come in and your Windows is not paused, your Windows update is not paused, you can just click on this check for update, and definitely once those updates are available, it is going to try downloading and then installing them. Now as you can see my own, you can see that because updates are available for me to download and install, you can see that they are automatically, once I just resume the update, you can see that it's now downloading the files and security patches just in order for the Windows to be updated. Right, so whilst it's doing, you can just check within your update history. Just click on update history here, and then you can check and see the last time your PC was updated. Right, so that is just how easy and simple it is to check for your updates in Windows. Whilst my own is updating, definitely once you just come onto this Windows update, you should be able to also update it to the latest patches and latest security updates which are released by Microsoft. That is just how easy and simple it is to just update your Windows with regards to the new released update by Windows. So if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.